Second largest Muslim country. With a population of over 220 million people, Pakistan is the second largest Muslim country in the world after Indonesia. Over 95% of Pakistan's population adheres to Islam, with the majority being Sunni Muslims. Swat Valley and Malala Yousafzai. Swat Valley is located in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province and was once under Taliban control. Malala Yousafzai, a young Pakistani girl, bravely advocated for the rights of education for women and girls in the restricted environment of Swat. In 2012, when she was 15 years old, Malala was shot in the head by the Taliban. She miraculously survived and later received the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. Mount K2, the second highest peak in the world. Mount K2, also known as Shigori, or Mount Godwin Austen, is the highest peak in Pakistan and the second highest in the world, after Mount Everest. Recognized in 1856, this mountain is difficult to climb due to its high altitude, harsh weather, and the dangers of the region. Ancient city of Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is an archaeological site located in the Sindh province of Pakistan. It is part of the ancient Harappa civilization that dates back to around 2500 BCE. It's one of the oldest known urban settlements in the world, showcasing the development of culture, scientific knowledge, and technology of that era. Historical royal connection. After gaining independence in 1947, Pakistan opted to become a constitutional monarchy with a British monarch as its head of state. Following the passing of King George VI in 1952, Pakistan has a unique historical connection with two former king emperors, King George V, 1910-1936, and King George VI, 1936-1952. Adventure myth. Chandar Top. Chandar Top is a high plateau situated at an elevation of about 3,700 meters above sea level. Every year, from June to July, the Chandar Polo Festival takes place here. This event attracts a large number of participants, both locals and tourists. Birthplace of the first cricket ball. The city of Sialkot in Pakistan is where the first cricket ball in history was manufactured. This cricket ball has become a significant part of cricket history and is used in important matches globally. Hunza Valley and longevity. The Hunza Valley is renowned for the longevity of its inhabitants. Researchers have noted that a healthy diet, strong sense of community, and clean living environment in the valley contribute to the long lifespan of its people. Language diversity. Alongside Urdu and English, Pakistan boasts over 70 languages and more than 1,600 dialects. Each region may have its own language and culture, enhancing the country's diversity. Treasure of the Motherland. Badshahi Mosque. The Badshahi Mosque is located in Lahore and was built in the 17th century during the Mughal Empire. It is one of the largest mosques in the world and is an architectural masterpiece that showcases religious splendor and cultural beauty. Karakoram Highway, the eighth wonder of the world. The Karakoram Highway, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, is a spectacular road that runs through the Karakoram mountain range, connecting Pakistan and China. It's one of the highest paved international roads and offers breathtaking views of some of the world's highest peaks. National poet Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal, often referred to as the spiritual father of Pakistan, was a philosopher, poet, and politician. His poetry played a significant role in inspiring the people of the Indian subcontinent towards independence. He's also the author of the famous poem, Lab Pe Aati Hai Dua Ban Ke Tamana Mary, which is widely recited in schools across Pakistan. Rich cultural heritage. Pakistan has a diverse and rich cultural heritage influenced by various civilizations, including the Indus Valley Civilization, the Mughal Empire, and Persian, Turkish, and Central Asian cultures. This heritage is reflected in its architecture, art, music, and traditions. Largest deep-sea port. Gwadar. Gwadar is a strategically located port city on the Arabian Sea. It's home to the Gwadar Port, one of the largest deep-sea ports in the world. The port is an integral part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, and is expected to play a crucial role in regional trade and development. Anarkali Bazaar Historical Market. Anarkali Bazaar in Lahore is one of the oldest and most famous markets in Pakistan. It's named after a legendary slave girl, Anarkali, and offers a vibrant shopping experience with a wide variety of goods, including fabrics, jewelry, spices, and traditional crafts.